Hey everyone, long time no see. It's been a while since I've posted a new video, so I just kind of thought I wanted to pop on here and just kind of let everyone know what I've been up to the last, I don't know, maybe almost a year. I don't think it's been quite that long, but it's probably been quite a while since I've done a new tutorial video. But you know, it's just I've been busy. I've been focusing more on my Etsy store and just crocheting and trying to get stuff, you know, put up there. And I've also opened up my own online store as well. I'll put the link in the description if you want to go check that out. I will be showing you a little bit later on after I explain a few things, some of the products that, you know, I have been working on lately. But yeah, so I guess the biggest change is that I have kind of done like a rebrand and I've changed my name from Instayarncreations to Crystal's Crochet. I don't know, I felt that Instayarncreations wasn't really rolling off the tongue very well, and I kind of wanted to come up, you know, I don't know, just do something a little bit more personal and have my name in it. And with opening up my online shop as well, I thought it might draw more attention, you know, just having it more personable. So that is what I've done. So I do have some videos that are still private that I haven't released yet, and I want to get those released. So you will see some videos coming, and I've already posted a few that will still have the intro with Instayarncreations, with the exception of this one because it's new. I'm gonna do a new intro with my new name, but I just kind of thought I'd come on here and explain, you know, why I did the rebrand and changed my name, and that you will still be seeing some videos that will have the Instayarncreations intro with it. But yeah, so there's only maybe a handful of videos that I still need to upload, which I'll probably do over the course of the next couple of weeks. But yeah, so like I said, I've just been more focusing on, you know, crocheting different things, trying to add some variety to my Etsy shop, and then of course now the online store that I have opened. So just a couple things I just want to show you. I mean, these are a big thing on TikTok right now, and I also have a TikTok as well if you want to go check that out. It is under the Crystal's Crochet. I've changed pretty much all of my social media platforms to reflect Crystal's Crochet in some way or another, depending on what was available. Instagram seems to be the hardest, so there's a bunch of underscores under it. But on the banner on my YouTube page, you can actually click on my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, I believe, are on there. I might also have my Etsy on there too. But yeah, so these are just some cute little bee keychains that I've made. Pretty cute. Hold on. And then I've been working on a lot of these like headbands I'm trying to get ready for fall. This one's my favorite because I did it as a two different colors, so you can actually wear it either way. You could have the teal up top, and then like this is kind of like a, I don't know what kind of color you would say this is, like a magenta maybe look. But yeah, so this is like the twisted head ear warmer, and then I have a purple one here as well. It's nice light purple. And then of course I've been working on some beanies with the pom-poms, so it's pretty cute. This is my favorite. This makes me think of mint ice cream. The color is kind of like a mint green, and then I added like a little brown tan pom-pom, so really cute. I've also made some dishcloth sets, so they're a set of 4, so I've been working on that. And then just recently I have been making these cute little pockets. It's like a keychain kind of kit, so this is like a chapstick holder, and then I made a matching little pocket. So if you just open it up here, and you'll see that there's a little pocket. You can put your earbuds in there. I wouldn't recommend maybe change, because it might have a potential to kind of come up and then fall out, but it would definitely hold your earbuds or anything small that wouldn't move around too much. But yeah, so these are just going to be cute little sets. So I've done a purple one here, and then I did little tassels on the back of this one, and then I have a yellow one. I still need to weave in the ends on that. And then this one is just, so that's kind of what it would look like if I didn't have little tassel things on there, and then it just opens up into a little pocket. It's really cute. But yeah, so those are just a few things that I've been kind of working on lately. But yeah, so I thought I'd just come on here quickly and just explain what I've been up to, and you know, I definitely would like to start posting more videos, maybe more videos like this in between the tutorials where I just kind of show you guys what I've been working on lately. And of course, if you have any ideas, any tutorials that you would like to see, by all means, please let me know in the comments, and I am more than happy to, you know, learn new stitches as well. So, I mean, and being able to share them with you guys is also a lot of fun. So yeah, so take care everyone, and hopefully you will see some of my newer videos soon. You will see some of my other videos that I've done a while ago that have just been private, but I'm going to start releasing them so that now if I make any more, they're going to have the new name attached to them. So anyways, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let all your friends know if they want to learn to crochet that I have even right now I have a large collection of YouTube tutorials on different crochet stitches, so you should check them out, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!